All right. I'd like to call to order the Board of Health study session. It's Wednesday, May 26, 2021 at 10:34. May I have a roll call, please?
Andy Cornstrom,
Yes.
Darlene Kleppel,
Yes.
Danielle Chenoweth.
All right, we have a quorum. Is there any public participation? It doesn't appear that we have any. Would you agree, Amy?
Right, yeah.
Okay. Old business. I don't think we have any old business, so we'll move to new business. Discussion on direction of how to proceed with delinquent health permit fees for CUPHD and Champaign County. Sarah, the floor is yours.
Okay, so this last year with COVID, we were instructed not to do like the closures and try to encourage them to pay their fees and get their stuff. We did waive a few fees, and some that were in operation, we got payment plans set up for them. So as of today, I have about 43 health permits, no applications, no fees. So I just needed some direction on how the board wanted me to proceed. I do have an administrative meeting scheduled for tomorrow at 10 o'clock. I don't know if anyone will show. Typically, that's where we have a hearing and we go out and close them or suspend their health permit at that time. I have about 43 in Champaign-Urbana and 14 still left from the county from last fall.
Do we know if they're still in business?
Yeah.
Yep, they're still in business.
Well, that's unfortunate. How many total health permits are there what are we looking at percentage wise?
A small percentage. I would have to look up the total number, but
Pretty less than 20%.
yes, less than 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, my personal opinion, and then Darlene can share hers, is that we have to have permits on file for them to operate. I feel like we've been gracious and provided them enough time and opportunity to get on their feet and to get their businesses up and going. And so I don't feel like continued grace is a necessity at this point. And so I'm all for moving forward with whatever process is associated with terminating or suspending their licenses.
Okay.
That would be my position. Darlene?
So my first question would be, how much is the fee?
Well, and we also waived all late fees,
Right.
reinstatement fees. We waived every kind of fee. So a majority of them are $300. A majority are the category 2. So it would be $300 plus whatever city fees. But yeah, we've waived everything the entire time. So it's just their permit fee. And those that couldn't afford the fee, we just set a payment plan, which
Right.
I'm fine with that too. So these are the outstanding ones that did not have any contact with us and have not made any effort to contact me or talk to me.
Okay. And you're sure they're all still in business? Or we don't?
I'll say at least 99%. I'm positive they're in business.
Yeah, then I would agree with Andy. They've had time. We have made allowances by not charging the other things during the COVID pandemic. But they do need a health permit to operate. I don't think we should not give a health permit for a business to continue to operate a food service. So,
okay.
Yeah, I think we should go ahead and do it. And if that means, then maybe that'll force the issue, and they'll realize if they're not getting their permit renewed, they do need to talk to you about a payment plan or something. I'm fine with still doing payment plans. But I think we need to move forward with actually, if they're going to be in business, they need to comply.
Okay, so I'll have the administrative meeting and then we'll proceed with just closing or suspending their permit until they come in and pay or make a payment plan.
That sounds good. Is there any way you could share that information with us after your administrative hearing, just about, how many of these maybe you did take? Because there's a good chance we'll hear about this from either the media or from our constituents. And so it might be nice for the board to just have that information. X number have been terminated or suspended, just at some point in the next week or so.
Absolutely. I can do
That'd
a
be
final list and then I'll let you know how many suspension notices. We'll probably do that probably on Friday.
That's
Friday
awesome.
or next Tuesday. I'll figure out how fast we can do it because we'll have to, that's a lot to write out.
Yeah, I'm sure. Hopefully they show up and pay soon.
Okay,
Yeah.
All right, thank you,
Thank you.
Sarah.
thank you.
So that was the end of our study session. Our next meeting is our monthly board meeting on June 14th, 2021 at 4:30, followed by a study session if needed on June 30th, 2021 at 10:30. May I have a motion to adjourn?
So moved.
A second. All those in favor?
Aye.
Opposed?
Oh, we have to have a roll call, I think.
Oh, you're right. Sorry, it's my new chairmanship. I should have.
Oh, that takes forever.
Well, it
Oh,
does,
yeah.
especially with two of us.
Right.
Amy, can you do a roll call, please?
Andy Cornstrom,
Yes.
Darlene Kleppel,
Yes,
Thank you,
Danielle Chenoweth.
Darlene. We are now adjourned. Hope everybody has a wonderful day.
thank you.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. You too.
Bye-bye.
Glad you're doing better, Andy.
Mhm.